Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I will show you how to install AppSheet app. So without further ado, let's get started. First is to click the Play Store and search for the AppSheet. After that, click on this one and click on the Install button. Now after that, launch your app. And then from there, you need to log in to your account. Click on Continue and Allow. And then after that, you will be redirected to the AppSheet. And then wait for it to load, and then that's it. I hope that you found this video helpful. If it ever did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.